Protects car paint from water, dirt, and stains, enhances shine, prevents corrosion, and extends exterior durability in all weather conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best water repellent sprays for car paint that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Polixil Water Repellent Spray for car. This water repellent spray uses an advanced hydrophobic formula that creates an invisible protective layer on the windshield, significantly improving driving safety in rainy and low visibility conditions. Water does not stick to the glass. Instead, it forms tight beads that quickly slide off, helping maintain a clear and uninterrupted view of the road. The spray bottle design makes application simple, and the included microfiber cloth ensures even spreading without streaks. Once applied, the coating bonds effectively to glass surfaces and delivers long-lasting protection that withstands multiple rain exposures and repeated windshield wiper use. Beyond windshields, it is also effective on side mirrors and other glass surfaces, enhancing overall visibility from all angles. This makes it a practical solution for daily drivers who frequently face changing weather conditions. Overall, it combines convenience, durability, and safety improvement in one easy-to-use product for better driving confidence. Now our second product is Mazzoni Windshield Water Repellent Spray. This windshield water repellent spray delivers a strong hydrophobic coating that significantly improves driving safety in wet weather. Once applied, it forms a thin, invisible layer on the glass that actively repels rainwater, preventing it from sticking to the surface. Instead of spreading across the windshield, water quickly beads up and rolls away, allowing for clear vision during heavy rain, storms, and high-speed highway driving. The spray is designed for convenience, offering a simple application process. Just spray, wipe, and buff, making it suitable even for quick maintenance routines. It bonds effectively to automotive glass and provides long-lasting protection with minimal reapplication needs. This product is safe for use on windshields, side windows, and mirrors, making it versatile for full vehicle coverage. With its 4 fluid ounces size, it offers multiple applications, making it practical for cars, SUVs, and trucks, ensuring consistent clarity and improved visibility on the road. Our third product is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic. This 3-in-1 ceramic car detailing spray offers a practical and efficient way to maintain a vehicle's exterior with minimal effort. It combines cleaning, shining, and protection in a single step, helping restore a smooth, showroom-like finish without requiring multiple products. The waterless formula is especially convenient, allowing users to clean light dust, dirt, and road debris anytime, anywhere. No hose or full wash setup needed. Its ceramic coating technology adds a durable protective layer that enhances gloss while repelling water, dust, and contaminants, keeping the surface cleaner for longer periods. The advanced polymer infusion also reduces the risk of scratches, as it creates a slick surface that allows microfiber cloths to glide smoothly without causing swirl marks. Suitable for paint, glass, trim, and wheels, it offers versatile exterior care. Overall, it's a time-saving solution for maintaining shine, protection, and cleanliness in one easy application. Now on number 4, Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Car Wash Spray. The Swift Wipe Waterless Wash Spray, CWS 20916, is a convenient and effective solution for maintaining a clean and glossy vehicle without needing water. Designed for quick detailing, it allows users to simply spray and wipe, making it ideal for busy lifestyles, apartment living, or areas with water restrictions. Its high lubrication formula plays a key role in protecting the vehicle's surface by encapsulating dirt and grime, reducing friction during wiping, and minimizing the risk of scratches or swirl marks. This ensures a safer cleaning experience compared to traditional dry wiping methods. The spray is versatile and safe for use on multiple exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, wheels, chrome, and plastic, without leaving streaks or residue. Beyond cleaning, It enhances the vehicle's appearance by adding a deep gloss and leaving behind a slick protective layer that helps repel dust and light contaminants. Overall, it offers fast, reliable, and professional-level detailing on the go. And our last choice is Xperchemy Ceramic Rain Repellent Windshield. This advanced ceramic glass coating delivers strong hydrophobic performance that greatly improves driving visibility in all weather conditions. Once applied, it forms an invisible nanoceramic layer that bonds chemically with the glass surface, creating long-lasting protection that can endure for months. Rain, sleet, and snow are quickly repelled as water beads up and slides off instantly, reducing the need for constant windshield wiper use. This also helps eliminate issues like streaking and wiper hop, making driving safer and more comfortable during heavy weather. Beyond rain protection, the coating resists dirt, bug splatter, and road grime, keeping the glass cleaner for longer periods. Maintenance becomes much easier since contaminants struggle to stick to the slick surface, allowing quick and effortless cleaning. Unlike temporary treatments, it leaves no haze, residue, or sticky film behind, ensuring a crystal clear and invisible finish. Overall, it enhances safety, clarity, and long-term windshield protection in one solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.